Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is day 2 of the Dollar General surprise penny list, and today I went for very specific items and kind of cut my trip a little bit short. I wasn't going to be doing this all day, but I'm very grateful for what I found, including those wonderful totes. I'm going to show you guys all the UPCs and kind of explain where I found all this stuff in the store. And even on day 2, there is a lot to be found, including a mountain of t-shirts, a whole bunch of Lysol sprays. These were not ringing up a penny yesterday, but today they are. I don't know why my area, it wasn't ringing up, and then all of a sudden later in the day it was. It's very peculiar. Now, if you are kind of new to this, yesterday I made a video where I kind of go through the 1, 2, 3 ABC of everything, how to find a penny item, and like what to look for in the app, and more visuals. Like I found 300 items yesterday. A lot of them are duplicates. One question somebody did ask is, will it be a penny on Sunday or Saturday? To that is yes, until the company resets the item back to full price. It will be a penny for weeks, maybe a month, I don't know, but it's a penny for a while. And a lot of these items, they are discontinuing them from their system, so they'll probably be a penny forever. So the next clearance event, if you're finding any of this stuff, you are going to have a lot of penny items, and that's exciting for a lot of us. Probably my best find are finding 5 of these STERILITE totes for a penny. Down the aisle with all the automotives, they have them situated towards a top shelf. You can find them towards the back, depending where they keep the STERILITE totes at your store. Here's a hint of what you're looking for. They're going to have a black handle exactly like this. And here is the UPC. It is a 20-gallon STERILITE tote. Open up the app and scan. Now, it said at my store there was 3, but there was actually 5, so the count was off, and I was so excited by that. Absolutely amazing to find this for a penny. In the past, I found like the Christmas wreath thing for, I think, 10 cents one time, and then something for holiday ornaments, but never a STERILITE tote, so this was amazing. Something weird. I did scan this around 1 o'clock yesterday, and it was like $5.40. As of this morning, it was a penny. So I don't know why, but it's this 12.5 ounce. I found it at one store in that aisle with all the cleaning stuff on a top shelf, and then in the clearance section at a different store. And here is the UPC, and it is only the lemon flavor. The other one that's blue, I think it's like $6 or $7. This stuff really jumped in price, so to get it for a penny, I mean, that's just a really great price point. I use this a lot for my trash can just to freshen it up. Just a really great product. Now, the next couple items are going to be fashion, including this Zone Pro. It's like a legging for working out. You're probably going to find this on a side cap near that shampoo aisle or near the clearance section. See that weird pattern? I don't know, it kind of looks like a zebra, but it's red and pink. Absolutely gorgeous color. I would buy this for myself because I love the look of this. Unfortunately, it's got a really heavy polyester blend, which I don't like that feeling on my skin. So yeah, unfortunately. And then this one too, it's blue and white or black and white, just really beautiful. So when you are seeing those little displays on the side caps, which is a side display, look through all of them. There's Bobbi Brown and these ones, and you might score the big one. And there was a ton of these remaining. I think people were just not picking them up yesterday. But it's this Zone Pro active legging, high waist, large, medium, extra large, and I think 2X. And here is the UPC. And again, I really wish this didn't feel as polyestery, or I would have like kept a bunch of them because I like them to work out in. But yep, it's just not meant to be. Superb find are these Fruit of the Loom. It's either a crew neck or a V-neck ladies t-shirts. Did not find any dude ones, but these are the ladies, and I did find quite a few of them, and some of the colors really nice. There was black, white, this purple one, a blue one, a pink one. Really cute colors. I found 2 the day before, and then today I found, I think, about 60 of these. So down that aisle where they have the socks, work shirts, underwear, you're probably going to find some situated there. They have another company. It slips my mind. I think it's called I think it might be the Bobbi Brown company. They also have t-shirts. So you're going to have to really scan every single UPC because you do not want to pick up like, 3 of these t-shirts and then one for full price by Bobbi Brown. So we're looking at the V-neck and the crew neck. So crew neck comes more towards your neck, like a scoop, and then the V-neck is in a V. So yeah, and these do have a lot of polyester. Again, when I initially picked one up, I was like, oh, these are going to be great, and I was really looking forward to having some new t-shirts. But it's just that blend that I think it's like 40% polyester. So I'm like, ah. But I have plans for all these shirts. And just to show you one of the UPCs, definitely open up that app, scan the barcodes so you are grabbing the correct ones. Because in that aisle, everything looks identical. You'll either find this in the clearance section or in that aisle with like the different socks. And they have a lot of stuff for like if you work construction, like the hats and stuff, and everything's that bright or yellow. That aisle, you know what I'm talking about. And then here is just to show you guys, they don't actually have a tag on the back. It's just this print and 40% polyester. I wish it was 100% cotton. I'm such a complainer in this video, but I was so looking forward to keeping a bunch of them. But these are the breaks, and this is shot with my Apple iPhone 17. Look at that. That's supposed to be a black t-shirt. That does not look like a black t-shirt. I have so many problems with my phone. It is ridiculous. The final penny item, I found this right at the front of the store. So somebody, I think, was in there penny shopping and they just left it on a table at the front. I think they must have forgot it or something. I would probably look for these in the NCI section. So the aisle with the plates and the cups and the this and the that. A lot of these True Living, like coffee tumblers or for water bottles. Depending where you live, there might be like, your state school with a logo, that sort of thing. But definitely scan, scan, scan. You have nothing to lose. And this one is a 30-ounce stainless steel cup. Honestly, if you have a Cricut or you're a little bit creative, you probably can make a Christmas gift out of this. But it's a really quality mug, and it was like right at the front. So I think somebody by accident might have left it there. I don't know. So this is day 2. Because this list is so vast, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find more pennies. Good luck, guys, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.